The following video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. I want to send special shout outs to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, big up, you see? Now, I have a video I'm going to present to you, and this video is being talked about on social media. This video has been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video has been recorded. This video shows how a female had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not have any confirmed information as to why the female had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. However, if you look at the video and listen to some things that have been said in the video, you might get an understanding as to why the female had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, one of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and listen to some of the things that have been said in this video and tell me what I think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Many comments have been made about the video on social media, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons talked about how the police treated the female during the incident. Some of the comments made on social media gave me the understanding that some persons talked about the female's conduct during the incident. Other things have been said as well, viewers and subscribers. See? And I'm going to tell you what I think about the video after I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, the video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is just piece of the entire video that is circulating on social media. Now, please bear in mind that this video contains scenes that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. Some harsh languages had been used in this video, viewers and subscribers. This video shows quite a number of persons, both civilians and police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. In this video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting at the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. And more than one part of this video shows when the female who was being arrested by the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago tried to kick a police officer. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that this video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh God, boy. You're fucking right. That's why you must have those searching. Right? You come into a French you're not arrest, so support yourself. Give me the phone. All let's see what you do. What you do? Right, good. Rob you! Get down on the phone. Get down on the phone. Get down on the phone. Get down on the phone.
Yeah, but what's
Where did you go bite? So I was saying don't bite me.
There's a friendly dog bite, an animal cruelty bite. The pepper spray put on the dog bite.
Did the bad boy?
I saw that sister and stop pushing fucking like a child. When you come when I began showing faster.
I don't call Christmas.
I saw that sister and dancing boy. What are you doing, boy?
What you doing? Daniel?
What are you doing?
What you doing? Let me get fucking shit for that. Mr. Stop me right now. Stop away. Please, I'm down. Daniel is a point.
This one is that one there. Yeah, this one is the bad boy. That big pussy one, boy.
Call your people them. I don't call them. Call them when they come. It's a real scene going on here for no reason. No reason at all. Them strike now, boy. They strike now. They strike. All because Gary don't like me, right? All because Gary don't like me.
This one against the law, brother.
All because Gary don't like me.
This one against the law. I'm from my mouth. This one against the law. Right? No, this one against the law. No, man.
Let's job at the wheel job. I was bad boy. And them telling me about the car. They to park up somewhere here.
Bad boy, yeah, that's the bad boy. Everybody else like it. Not a bad man, but I'm going to be in this season.
They're trying to look up my girlfriend all kind of thing. Oh, because she trying to say that it's wrong or it's wrong.
You can't do that. You can't do that, but I say no bad man.
If you're doing anything, if you're doing anything, don't push me, don't push me, don't push me, don't push me, and doing nothing, don't push me.
Police and for this can be police. Mr. The call police for police because that's like a gang or something, man. What is that? Are you sure them burn them clothes? What's your arrest?
Why you call the camera?
You talk to candid camera.
All the shit there. I don't go to the shop. You don't take me. Why you don't take me? You think, hey, what's going on? Hey, why you talk about uniform? I'm so fucking. Take off your uniform. I'm so take off your uniform. Take off your uniform now.
Watch it.
Take off your uniform. Take off your uniform. You're bad in your uniform. But bad man in the wrong man in the uniform.
Which was when you station
I don't let show me any fucking gun. I'm going to
You smoke weed? You only can read. You ain't no cup. We ain't no cup. So where I go see you, boy? So where I go see you? All you do is pushing people. Somebody just pushing people. But what are you pushing for that?
so all the machine or something, man.
I know what you're fucking up your face for him. What's going on with you? Then fucking bad from nowhere, boy.
Come, mom, come.
Well, let me go.
I don't hide you. That way she get what should she hide that when she get those? Well, okay, let me talk. Let me go. I'm not going close. Oh, that obstruction.
Yeah, bad boy. Right up in the corner, big gun and thing. Bad boy. Now this one is the gangster. Now the gangster is. Now the gangster is. Yeah, top dog. What's up with your big gun on your back on your chicken on your...
Yeah.
Now, for those who have been watching Dancehall Skilla videos over the years and saw when I posted videos that are somewhat similar to that video that I just presented to you, I think you might have an understanding some of the things that I'm about to say. See? And by now, I think that the things I'm about to say are common knowledge. You understand? Well, if it is not common knowledge, well, I think it is something that each and every one should know. Right? Now, I know that some persons might disagree with the things that I'm about to say, but if you ever find yourself in a situation where you're being detained or arrested by the police in wherever you're at or which country you're at, you see me? Comply with the police. Comply with the police, and then you take legal actions to prove that you're innocent, if you're innocent and if you have been arrested by the police in wherever country you're from in the world. You understand? See? Because when it comes on to the law, you know, the law are the law. Without rules and law and everything there, it would be chaos in many countries worldwide, probably the whole world. You see what I say? So there are going to be rules and laws to govern people a certain way or to make sure say people life safe and all kind of things. See? However, you have some persons like I said, Dancehall Skilla, if you stand up for your rights. If you know your rights. Yes, you can talk, you can say what you need to say, but kicking at the police, yelling at the police, saying some horrible things at the police, only will get you in a more trouble than the trouble that you might already be in. That is if you're in trouble. Saying, me now go look on somebody and give them the bad advice and say, oh, you for do this and you for do that and then what? Put yourself in a more trouble? I am going to give the best advice that I can. See? As a summary. See. Anyways, my people, the thing is though, there's not much confirmed information I got about that video that I just presented to you. See? The main reason why I present the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Yeah, that video is circulating on social media. Right? You can also tell me what I think about some of the things that I've been shown and said in the video. See? And if I get any confirmed information about the incident shown in the video, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video, letting you know what I know. Alright? And I hear me I go left it to know. Yeah, here says where I'm going to leave it. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, man, you know where you watch.